Hello and welcome to Lydia Isaac Healthy Lifestyle. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the red button down there that says subscribe. And please give this video a thumbs up. If you've already subscribed, thank you very much and God bless you. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make my stir-fry veggies pasta. So some of the ingredients I like to use are chicken breast. I washed and sliced my chicken breast already. Some shrimps, okay. So also I'm going to be using my pasta over there. That's my Italian pasta. So I'm also going to be using 1 onion. You know I love coconut oil, so today I'm using coconut oil, curry, all-purpose seasoning, aromats, some light soy sauce. I got it from Aldi, black pepper, salt to season, some garlic, spicy, no mangi, and our bonnet pepper. So we're also going to be using 1 head of broccoli. We're going to be using some red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper to give it some nice color. And we're also going to be using some baby carrots. Okay guys, let's go. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have washed and sliced all my veggies. I've seasoned my chicken breast, parboiled my pasta, and right now I'm just going to add some coconut oil into my pan and stir fry my veggies. So guys, please let me know on the comment section how you like to prepare your pasta. If you like the tomatoes one or you like the stir-fry veggies, just drop a comment for me and let's interact a little, okay? And please, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, there's a red button down there that says subscribe. Just click on it and turn on notification bell so you know when I post new videos, okay? And please give this video a thumbs up so you can encourage me to post more nice and yummy recipes, okay? Thank you very much guys. Okay, so right now let's go back to our pasta business. Alright, so as you can see, I've just added my chicken breast and I'm going to add some seasoning to spice it up. So right now I'm just adding my veggies. And I'm just going to stir fry for like 10 minutes. So right now I'm adding my Maggi cubes. Aromats, all-purpose seasoning. So I'm just going to add some little salt because I already parboiled my pasta with some salt already, so I'll just add a very little salt. And also I'm adding a teaspoon of curry powder. So I'm just going to sprinkle some black pepper on my color veggies. You can see how colorful and nice it looks like, guys. And right now I'm just going to add some of my soy sauce. So I'm going to add some broccoli. And right now I'm just adding some of my shrimps. Okay, so lastly I'm going to add my pasta, and I'm just going to turn it and stir fry for like 2-3 minutes more, and it's ready. Oh, come on guys, just look at how nice this looks like. It looks so nice and yummy and very inviting. Okay, so guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel. And thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos. It encourages me to do more. Thank you very much. Okay, I really appreciate you all, guys. Thank you for watching my video. And please, if you like me to make any video, any recipe, just drop a comment for me, and if I can, I will do it. Thank you very much, guys. Till I see you next time on my next video. Bye. Oh wow, this looks beautifully gorgeous. Come on guys, don't tell me you don't like what you're seeing here. This pasta looks so delicious, guys. This pasta looks so delicious. Please guys, just hit the red button down there and subscribe. I'm going to be posting more yummy recipes. Thank you.